completed about the string index. String index operation also we done. Let's see. Now suppose a string 1 equal to Python is there. Look at the screen, ma. Suppose I want to print the letters. If the AC is on, if AC is on, you can close the door so that it can be visible properly. So I want to print the letters using for loop. Using for loop. There are two options you can use. One is in operator and another one is range function. In operator as well as using range function. So when we will use in function, when we will use range function, that you need to get the idea. You need to get the idea. Now let's see here. For I in string 1. Whenever you write immediately this thing for I in string 1 means it will, I means here each letter. I means here what? Each letter. So here in this case, I means each letter. The normal English meaning I in string 1, P in string 1, Y in string 1. So who will come here? I is nothing but immediately a letter. So now you will do print of I. You will do print of I and equal to like this. Then it is coming. Each letter is coming. First P is coming. Next Y is coming. Next T. So in operator is a flexibility. If you want to read the letters, if you want to read the letters directly, go for in operator. Easy. And the same way also, we also know that string 1 square bracket 0 means also it will give P, correct? And string 1 square bracket 1 also it will give the letter. So this is by using indexing. This is by using what? Indexing. The same code you can see here. For I in range of, whenever I am writing the range means what I need to provide inside? A number I need to provide. A number I need to provide. Range means mathematics. Range means what? Mathematics. Eval means what? Mathematics. Range means mathematics. Eval means mathematics. And for I in range, you need to provide one number. Suppose I provided a string 1. Is this correct or wrong? Tell me, is it correct or wrong? Tell me. Correct or wrong? It is wrong. Why? Inside range, what you need to provide? Number. But it is a string. It is what? It is a string. It is a string. Inside you are providing, literally you are providing Python like this. You are providing Python. That is wrong. You need to get number. At any cost, you need to get the number. How do you get the number? Length. L-E-N. Length of Python. Now this length of Python is nothing but it is what? It is a number. It is a number. What is the number? How much is the number now? How many characters are there? That many numbers. So it is 6. Nothing but it is a 6. It is 6. So now that's why the default we are providing what? Length of string 1. Now here I is what now? Here I is now what? Here I means, tell me, here I means letters or some others? Number. I means it is a number. Here I means a numbers. Here I means a numbers. That numbers are where starting from 0 and ending with the length of string minus 1. Length of string minus 1. So if you want to print I, then I am printing I. See what is I now? Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I is what? 0 to 5. But I don't want numbers. I want what? Letters. I want letters. How can I get a letter from the number? By using index operation. By using index operation. So I comma string 1 square bracket I. Instead of I, what you need to write? String 1 square bracket I. So that's why what happened. Now you see here, string 1 square bracket 0 first. What is the answer? P is coming. Next, if you replace 1, what is the answer? Y is coming. So here 0 is there. Here string 1 0. The answer is what? 0 comma P. 1 comma Y. 2 comma T. So that is the answer. Like this. It is a 0. And the 0 you are writing here. String 1 square bracket 0. The answer is what? P. So now if you want to get the letters by using index operations, this is a method. Sir, I don't want index method. I use directly in method. You go for this better. But if you want to use indexes, then pakka you need to use range function only. Pakka you need to use range. But if you want to print the letters, you need to use string 1 of square bracket I. Some people will write only I like this. Okay. And they are saying that, sir, I am not getting Python. You will not get the Python. Because I is what here? I is a number. How can you get the letter? By using index operation. What is index operation? String 1, square bracket I. Got it now? You can get by using in operator. You can get by using index operator. Both are same. Both will works. But when we will use means if you are use any use case with numbers, go with range. If you don't have a use case with numbers, go with in operator. Yeah, note down this two codes. Note on these two codes. Good. Hmm. Yeah. So you need to print statement like this, ma. My print statement like this. The index of index of P is 0. The index of Y is 1. Now, print like this. Print like this. The same code. You don't talk in the class. The same code. Yeah. You are getting 0P by 1Y2T, right? I need like this specifically. Just a rearrange. Just a rearrange. Do that. So let copy this. I want to print like this. Here one, fill in the blank. Here one, fill in the blank. Dot format. And first one is the index of P. How can you are getting P? String 1 square bracket I comma. Now 0, 1, 2, 3 you are getting by using I. By using I. Now this is given the index of P is 0, index of Y is 1, index of T is equal to 2. That you know very well. Very good, Arun. Try to respond in the chat, ma. Only less people are only 5, 6 people are talking in the chat every day. Not remaining people are not talking. That is not at all good. Now let's see now. Look at the screen now. One more important concept. Okay. Now P, Y, T, H, O, N. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are called what? Indexes. These are index of the particular letter. This is nothing but a positive index. It is which index, ma? Positive index. In the same way, we have a negative index also. We have negative index also. That is nothing but -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. That means the last letter is start with -1, ma. Last letter start with -1, next one -2, next one -3, next one -4, -5. Which means the string one square bracket -1 will give what? N. -1 will give what? N. Now string 1, 0, what it will give? What is the 0 answer? P. How can you get the P negative index? -6. So -6 also will give about P and 0 also give about P. But -6 is a negative index, 0 is a positive index. So -6 is nothing but like this. Now string 1 square bracket -5 will give Y. The same way string 1 square bracket -4 it is giving the T. Now string 1 square bracket -3 is a H. String 1 square bracket -2 is the O. And finally string 1 square bracket -1 is the N. Now again, I am getting the bad way of writing. Sir, why I should write like this? Can't we iterate through this loop? Yes, we can iterate through loop. Before the range function, our main goal is getting the 0 to 5 numbers. Now this time our main goal is what? Getting the numbers from -6 to -1. If you get the numbers from -6 to -1, then you can print the negative index also. Correct? Now try it. Iterate the loop. Iterate the for loop on string 1. Print the letters using negative index. So the idea is first you need to print the numbers between -6 to -1 using for loop. First to print that, then apply the index. First print the numbers. -6 to -1, how can you get? 0 to 6, how can you get? You know already. 0 to 5. For I in range of 6, 0 to 5 will come. For I in range of 0 to 5 will come. You're occupying place. Why you're not choosing that one? That is, you can put laptop easy, no? That chair. Share of minus 6 to minus 1. Why minus 6 to minus 1, ma? I want to print each letter, show up. I want to print each letter. Yeah, Srishti, this is correct. First to print minus 6 to minus 1 letter numbers. If you are success that, then your answer is done. Print the numbers minus 6 to minus 1. We already done the range function, right? Number system. Yesterday you are not come, Srikanth. Why? Busy? Busy with girlfriend? Hmm? Huh? That only I said. You went with friends only, right? Yeah. So this will not work, ma Bejanki Nagarani. I hope this will not work. I don't think so. It will work. It is working. Yeah, it is working. Minus 6 to positive index, right? Yes. So she is getting the numbers. Minus 6 to minus 1. Minus 6 to minus 1, she is getting the numbers. Now, how can you get the letters now? How can you get the letters? Simply string 1, square bracket, I. Then letters will come. That's it. Can you write now the negative index? Write like this. The negative index, the negative index of P is, and this is the negative index, dot format of, and here I is there here, string 1, square bracket, I comma I. It is the negative index of P is minus 6, negative index of Y is minus 5, negative index of T is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Sir, I don't want to write like this, minus 6 comma 0. Can you write any another way? Minus 6 is a very bad way of writing like this always. Okay. You need to take the length of string because tomorrow string is changes. Na? You can't count manually. Here, what is the string here? Here, the string 1 equal to Python. The string 1 is what? Python. That's why you are taking what? P is 1, 2, 3, 4. You are getting the numbers. But tomorrow, what happen? Python will come. What you will do? Again, you will count? No, right? How much is the numbers is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How can you get the 13? How can you get the 13? Length of string 1, no? Length of string 1 is 13. That means here instead of 6, what do you need to write? Minus length of string 1. Then it will come like this. So try to generalize your code. No hard codings. No hard codings. Your code should be generalized. Your code should be generalized. In how many ways you can get the minus 6 to minus 1? And that is the next thing. How many ways you can get? How many ways you can get? Let's see here. For I in range of, you are writing minus 6 comma 0. You are printing I. You are printing I like this. You are getting this like this. Can you any another way you can get minus 6 to 0? Minus 6 to minus 1? Can you any another way? Tell me. For I in range of G6 is there, suppose. Or 0 to 6 is there. 0 to 6 is there. Can you get minus 6 to minus 1 with this? Can you get minus 6 to minus 1? That is a simple aptitude question. Try it. How can you get? By using this, how can I'm writing print? I'm writing I. I'm writing end equal to like this. Zero is coming. How can turn 0 into -6? How can you turn 0 to -6? Tell me. How can you turn 0 to -6? How can you turn 1 to -5? Correct. That is the logic, right? 1 to -5. How can, what is the logic? I minus 6 working? 0 minus 6. So I minus 6 is working. That's it. This is also correct. Above also correct, below also correct. Above also correct. There are different ways of writing. You need to just think about the another way. There's a different way of writing. The same code, you can do like this also. But here what you need to do, you can directly provide only length of string. You can provide only length of string. And here you are getting what? Here I, here, but here I minus 6. That's it. Same code. This is in the negative way index. You are providing the range function. You are providing positive way, but you are changing the value here. You are changing the value here. Both are same. Both are same. Understood this too? Can you please confirm the chat? Any doubts in there? In this code, any doubts? No doubts, right? Yes. No doubt it. Now I need output. Those who don't have any doubts, I need output like this. My output should be like this. The positive index of P, the positive index is -6 and negative index, sorry, positive index 0, right? The positive index is 0 and the negative index is -6 for a letter P. This is the output I require now, like this. Now I want to comment both positive index, negative index comment together in a single line. There are three cases are there. 3 fill in the blank, 0 fill in the blank, -6 fill in the blank, P fill in the blank you need to fill. Your output should be like this. What is the output here? The negative index of P is what? -6. This is the one part of output. Correct? One more part of output, what you write? The positive index. That means some more value you need to add here. Some more value you need to add here in this position. And that value should become as what? 0. And this position is coming as what? -6 is coming. How can you change the code in order to get 0 as well as -6 as well as 1 as well as -5 as well as in the single line? In the single line. Tell me, think about that. Do it. Understood the code? Same line only. Now there are 3 fill in the blanks. That means 3 answers you need to write. The same line, the same code. This you should not change. And this only you need to change here. Think about that. How can you get the same value as 0? How can you get the same value of -6? Easy method is a simple line change. Just copy the code for give the better idea. like this. Now my output should be the positive index is like this and negative index is like this. So this is the 3 values into provide some comma. Kill it. This fill position, you need to get the 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? How can you get? That is the question. How many fill in the blanks, ma? The positive index is this and negative index is this for a value of this. Same code. I didn't change anything. The only the thing is you need to replace this as some value. That value should come as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 automatically. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shoaib has done. And Suresh has done. Only 2 members. And Utkarsh has done. Nikita has done. Neeraj has done. How many are done? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. What happened, Kumar? Late. So only the thing is you need to replace I, no? That's it. Single I you need to replace. Automatically it will come. Automatically it will come. I is what, ma? 0. The positive index is 0. No doubt. Negative index is what? I minus 6. And string of I equal to 0. Simple code. This is the both combination of positive index and negative index. Above code is both only for negative index and above code for both for in only positive index. This is only positive index code. I'll let all together. This is very simple, ma. Easy code. This all are. Now in this position, this is for only for Jujube for you. Like that, I'm expecting. Now this is only for negative index. The beauty in this, in the range, we are using only length of string only, correct? The all 3 codes, we are using only length of string only. Can you do it in any other way? By taking a negative length. Can you implement all these 3 by taking a negative length? Negative length, minus length of string. Can you do the same thing by taking a minus length of string? Instead of length of string, I need all 3 outputs by using minus length of string. And you need to change the variable here, na? These parts you need to change the variables. Try it. Improvise this code by putting length equal to minus length of string. Improvise this code. So minus length of string I want to use. Minus length of string I want to use everywhere. Okay. Minus length of string I want to use everywhere. So whatever the questions we are doing in the classroom, you need to practice every day, ma. So these many questions, no trainer will train you on these questions, especially in the classroom. They'll finish 2 days in one chapter, they will finish. They'll just explain the high overview and they'll over the topics. If you want, you can search, you can talk to your other friends also. That is. So these questions are very, very important. The logics, how you are getting is important. So my main motto is I want to train your mind, then I can modify your mind according to the data science in the upcoming lectures. So now here now here minus length of string is coming, minus 6 is coming, minus 6 I want to take as what? 0. How can I convert into minus 6 to 0? I shall add plus 6, it will works. If I add plus 6, it will works. What is this? What should I do here? This first value is equal to minus 6. First of all, tell me it is working or not. This is print I. It is not working. Why it is not working? Because it is default, it is considering only positive index, so it is not considering. So you need to add 0 everywhere first. What you need to add? 0 everywhere. You need to add 0. You need to add 0. Because it start with minus 6, it will go to 0, positive direction. Nothing mentioned means which direction? Positive direction. Minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. That's why you need to add the 0. Now minus 6 I want to turn into what? 0. Minus 5 I need to turn into 1. How can I do? Plus 6 pakka. Agaya plus 6. So similarly, so what you need to do here? I plus 6 here. First one is I plus 6. And second one is what? Simply I. Second one is simply I. And replace this as what? I plus 6. And this is what? I. That's it. Positive index, negative index, and positive and negative index. How many have done this? Raise your hands. Very good. Now implement the same by using while loop. Implement the same by using while loop. Implement the same by using while loop. First, always concentrate, are you getting the numbers or not? Are you getting the positive numbers or not? Are you getting the negative numbers or not? Take the first example. Try to implement the while loop. If you want, take the normal one, positive only. If you want to confuse, if you feel you are confusing, take this one only. First, implement this by using while loop. First, implement this by using while loop. If you feel you are getting confused, the while loop, implement this code by using while loop. If that you are able to do by while loop, other two things are very easy. Implement this by using while loop. In while loop, what is the wrapper, ma? Single line becomes to how many lines? 3 lines. Initialization, condition, increment. First to create the wrapper first. First to create the wrapper. First to create the wrapper. First create the wrapper. We'll just make the attendance. That's all, Utkarsh. Very good. I need more answers in the chat, ma. This is very easy. Very easy, ma. Easy task. Nothing much in that. Yes, correct. First, print the numbers. First, print the numbers. One line converted into 3 lines. That is the wrapper. One line converted into 3 lines. Prime range of length of string. So here I equal to 0 while condition colon I equal to I plus 1. I equal to I plus 1. Correct? What condition here? I less than length of string 1. Now, if you want, you can print it. Print of I. Come in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone able to print this while? Easy. This is. Now only what you need to do? To get the positive index. To get the positive index. And get the negative index. Get the positive and negative both. Get the positive and negative both. Tell me the logic of this. Tell me the logic of this. What should I write here? Positive index means 0. Here what I need to write? I minus. Why are you taking this much time? Correct? Here I minus 6. Yes. Very good. Some people are never responding. Pragati, you are not responding. Naveen, Abhishek, sometime is talking. Archana, you are not responding. Arjun, Soumya, Viranjanelu, Hamza, Navadeep, Pravalika, Manasa, Fauzia, Navina, Neeraj, P. Ravi, Renuka, Pradeep, Prashant Gaud, Priyanka Kumari, you are joined 2 times. And Ramesh, Shankar, Santosh Kumar, Shreya, Usha, Anudeep. You people are not at all responding every day, ma. I didn't see single message from you. I don't know, you're just log in and you are went off some other work or what every day. You're not talking at all. Done, everyone? We done 4 important questions yesterday. One is what question we done? Finding the number of years and finding the number of vowels. Number of unique vowels done. Everyone, no need to explain that question, right? Pakka? So that questions are very, very important, ma. If you take that questions, we done by using in operator, right? That question we done using by in operator. Suppose string 1 equal to hi, how are you? We done for I in string 1 if I equal to a, then we are counting equal to count plus equal to 1, and here we are doing count equal to 1. Then how many a's are there? Print of count, and this is the answer. Can we implement by using range function quickly? Instead of in operator, implement by using range operator. Range. I told you, right? Everything you can implement by using in operator. Everything you can implement by using range function. I implement that. Implement the same question by using range operator. Do that first. Range operator. Today I will share one more assignment, ma, on the if and else conditions and the for loop and while loop and everything. That is the consolidated assignment. That is, try to finish by, okay, your Diwali, right? See, how many are going to home for Diwali? Raise your hands. Nobody. You stay at hostel only. Only boys are going, girls are not going. So I'm also going to home. No class on tomorrow and no class on Monday. Enjoy the 3 days. Watch good movies. Any good movies are releasing? Which movie? Tiger. Tiger जिंदा है. सिर्फ टाइगर. टाइगर 3. एक था टाइगर. टाइगर जिंदा है. टाइगर. टाइगर जिंदा है अच्छा मूवी. टाइगर जिंदा है अच्छा मूवी. No Telugu movies. No Telugu movies are not releasing. I need to watch that mad movie. My wife is watching yesterday without me. She, I asked her, why you are watching without me? You don't have time to me. She's saying that. I am not watching even matches also. Mad movie is okay movie. Achha, it's not that much good movie. Done, right? Easy this is. When I am in college movies, I watch more movies. Movies. But now no movies. Life is like that only. Range of, length of, string 1. Now I become what now here? Is a number. I become what here now? Number. Number can't compare to string. So you need to provide as string 1 square bracket I. That is the only change you need to do. So this kind of changes you need to understand. This kind of changes you need to understand. because in the use cases, we don't know which type of use case will come. Sometimes in use case will come, sometimes range use case will come. So you need to understand this kind of use case. Count one. Count 0. Yeah, 0. Printing mistake. Ma. That is 2. Count equal to 0. Correct. Very good. So next concept is called mutable immutable concept. It is very, very frequently asked question in the Python. Ma. Like tell about yourself. How the very frequent question interview in Python. Tell me the what is mutable and immutable concept is a very, very frequent question. That is called mutable immutable concept. Mutable and immutable concept. What is the normal English meaning of mutable? Mutable means we can change, right? We can change. Immutable means we cannot change. That is the normal English meaning. Mutable means we can change something. Immutable means we can't change that. Let's see here. String 1 equal to Python. String 1 equal to Python. Now I want to change capital P to small p. I want change small p to capital P. That means my output should be like this. I have required output will be capital P Y T H O N. Python. Capital P Y T H O N. Can I change it or not? What is your answer? Can I change it or not? Change it. So string is mutable or immutable? Mutable or immutable? Huh? Mutable. So you can change. You are saying change and you are saying immutable. We can change it or not? So we can change. First of all, we can change, but how we can change, how we cannot change, that is the question. Python used to create the robotics. So can't we change capital P to small p? We can change, no? Python used to create the robotics. Can't we change? We can change definitely, but we cannot change by using index operations. We cannot change by using index operation. Now let's see here. String 1 square bracket 0, how much ma? Small p. Now if I want to change this equal to capital P, then it get the error. Then I get the error. That's why strings are immutable. Strings are immutable. We can change. That means we cannot change the values by using index operations. That you need to mention in the interview. Which operation? Index operation. Because interview will confuse you. You can say that, sir, strings are immutable, you will say. But what he will say that I can change by using methods, he will say. So like that, he will confuse you. So that's why you need to mention immutable means we cannot change a specific value by using index operations. So what do you write? We cannot change the value by using which operation, ma? Index operation. Index operation. That you need to mention. So that's why strings are immutable. So strings are immutable. Remember that. Strings are immutable. Item assignment is not possible. That is only saying item assignment. That means you can't assign some value at the specific index. You can't assign that. So this is called immutable. Very, very common question, 100% question. 100% they will ask you this question. Strings are immutable. You can't change the values by using index operation, that you need to say. Suppose I am giving the example, okay? Some people will want to visualize, okay? For the visualize the purpose, I am taking the list, okay? So list 1 is equal to 100, 200, 300. Now I want to change 100 to 1000. I want to change 100 to 1000. So list 1 square bracket 0, what is coming, ma? 100 equal to 1000 if you put, then list 1 equal to 1200, 300. It's changed. That means it is called mutable. That is not mutable. So that's why strings are immutable, lists are mutable. That means you can change the values by using which operations? Index operations. That you need to remember. Note down that mutable and immutable. Yes, uppercase is there. So again, I'm repeating, ma. Don't ask me. I will upload in the Google Classroom notes also. Your next class on Tuesday. Your next class on Tuesday. Tuesday, you have a presentation is there. First 10-15 minutes. Okay. One presentation is given by Surender. And another presentation I will pick from online people. Okay, this time I will pick from online. I will mention the name. Okay, Tuesday. Tuesday is the next class. Don't ask me again in the WhatsApp group. Don't confuse the WhatsApp groups. Okay, don't confuse the people. Next class is on Tuesday. Tomorrow actually supposed to be class is there, but the classes I'm taking from your senior batch till 1 o'clock. So that's why I'm cancelling your batch. One day you also might face the same thing scenario. 9 to 12, 9 to 1 like that. Okay, the future. Because I want to deliver more lectures. If I want to deliver more lectures, more quantity, you need to show the hunger. Sir, I'm learning. Teach me more. Sir, I'm doing this. Teach me more. If I observe that, automatically I will teach. If I not observe that, hey, this batch is very waste batch. It's a bakwas batch. No one is doing nothing. So I can simply just explain and I can go off like that. That thought I should not get. But by God grace, I never get that thought because I know how to train the students. Okay. So use these 3 days to complete the Python certification. Python certification. And do the assignment. Do the assignments also. Use that. The next class is on Tuesday. Send me your number to my WhatsApp group. My WhatsApp. Will share that. Next concept is called slicing. Slice. What is my slice? Mango juice. Katna kai fad. That only, na slice. Tell what is my English meaning of slice? Cutting into parts, right? Cutting into parts. Like we already learned about the range concept, right? The range concept, start comma, stop comma, end operator. In the same way, here also the same concept will come. Look at the board. This you only should say the answers. Okay. Let's see here. String 1 equal to hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? I'm writing. I'm just writing this hi, how are you in the below. Let's see here. Hi, how are you? So here hi is one letter, A is another letter, I is one letter, space is also one character, H is one, W is one, space is A, R, E, and again space Y, O, U. Okay. Now suppose 0 here, 1 here, 2 here, and again space is there here. Correct? That is 3. And this is 4. This is 5, 6. And again the space is there here. 7. And this is 8, 9, 10. Again space is there. 11, 12, and 13, and 14. 13, 14. Okay. Now let's see here. String 1, square bracket. Suppose here start you need to write ma. Start, and here you need to write end you need to write, or stop. Colon stop you need to write. This is the syntax. Start and stop. Start and stop. Okay, nothing mentioned means which direction? Positive direction. So start equal to which value? Start value only. Stop equal to which value? End minus 1. Same story. Suppose start equal to, here I am saying 2. Here I am saying suppose 10. So here what happened? Start equal to how much? 2. And stop equal to, that is equal to 10 minus 1. That is equal to 9. And it is which direction? Positive direction, because nothing mentioned. Same story. Same story in the range functions. No difference. So what is the answer here? I space how space R. AR. Till AR is the answer. Till AR is the answer. Let's do this. I space how space AR is the answer. Clear? Let's do one more question. Let's do here. Look at the board. Suppose 2 comma 10 comma 3. 2 comma 10 comma 3. So what is the start here? 2. Which direction? Direction is equal to positive. What is the step size? 3. What is the stop here? 10 minus 1. That is equal to how much? 9. So what is the numbers? 2 ke baad 5, 7, 8. Then that's it. Stopped. Because next what will come? 11 will come. But he stopped only till 9. So what are the answers now? What is the second one? I, O, yeah. Let's see. I, O, yeah. Understood now slicing means? We are getting the specific letters. Specific letters. Now one more thing. Look at the board. Look at the board. String 1. So it is a like this, ma. So here nothing mentioned here. Nothing mentioned here. Nothing mentioned means you need to take the start of the string. Nothing mentioned means you need to take the end of the string. Okay. Now this entire string will come. Entire string will come. So nothing mentioned means nothing mentioned means take start and last string. Last letter. There is nothing mentioned. Easy? Next. Look at one more thing. String 1. Have nothing mentioned means this is what value ma, here start value will be there, here what value will be there, stop value will be there. One more column means what is the value will be there here, step will be there. So here start will be there, stop will be there, step will be there. So sometimes the answer will be like this. Nothing mentioned everywhere. So nothing mentioned start means starting letter, last means last letter, step size is nothing mentioned means always 1, that is positive. That is positive. So here start means start only. Start equal to start letter 0, and stop equal to last letter. Last letter means is the length of string. Length of the string. And step equal to nothing mentioned means the default plus 1. Then you are getting hi, how are you? Same story. So this is positive way. This is a positive way. Note down this. Positive way. I'll keep all at one place. This is the positive way, ma. Can you please confirm the chat? Everyone is good? Not here, Usha. You need to send to your number to my number. Not here. I can't copy or I can't note down that by seeing that. Now tell me what is the answer of this? -3. What is the answer? For loop में error है? हाँ? For loop में error है? Is this error in for loop? Won't print anything. No error. Don't say error. Okay. Will not print anything. That is only in for loop, na? First of all, tell me it is possible or not possible. It is not possible. Not possible means nothing will print. Not possible means nothing will print. That is the same thing for loop we have seen, right? It is saying what? Empty string. It is coming as empty string. In for loop, the same code will not work. For I in range, for I in range of 2, 10, -3, we try to print of I, nothing will print. No error. Don't say error in the interview. No error. In the for loop, it will not print anything. In the string, what is coming? Empty string. Because it is not possible. If you want to take, you can take the real line again. You can take the real line. What is the real line? It is, this is the real line. Suppose this is the 0. This is a 2 here is there. Here suppose 10 is there here. Your start value is equal to 2. You need to go to till 10. It is which direction actually? Positive. But your code is asking which direction? Negative. You can't go that. Simple. You can't go that. That we learn very well. Next, come to the negative way. Next, come to the negative way. So here, -14, -13, -12, -11, -10, -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. We'll just rearrange the letters. Here A will come. Here I will come. Here space will be there. Here O will be there. Here W. Here space. Here ARE. And this is YOU. Any space is there? Something we missed? HA 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Some space is there, no? So it is 15. 15, huh? -15. Yeah. This is correct. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Length of the string is nothing but your last value in this negative index. Now, simple. Length of the string 1 is nothing but your last value. You see here, length of string 1, 15 will come. Length of string 1, what will come? 15 will come. So 15 is the -15 start. That is the last here. Now help me now. Now tell me. String 1, that is equal to -2 -13 and string 1. I will write like this everything. Now you tell me what is the answer. Simple. Okay. String 1, 2 to 14 to string 1, 2, 14 -2, string 1, 2, -14, 2, string 1, 2, and -14, -2, and string 1, -2, 14, 2, and string 1, -2, -14, 2, and string 1, -2, -14, -2. So these answers tell me. First tell me the what is the answer. Is it possible or not possible? It is a possible. It is a possible. What is the answer? I, H, W, A, E, Y. Paka? Let's see this. Highway. This look like that is. Next. String 2 to 14 -2. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Straight away rejected. Possible or not possible? 2 to -14. 2 to -14. So 2 here, -14 back direction, but you are saying what? Forward direction. It is a not possible. And this is not possible or possible? First of all, it is possible. This is 2 here and 14 is back your side, your back side. Okay. First of all, it is possible. Just look at ma. 2 here. Where is 14? -14. Your back side or front side? So first of all, which direction it is? So it is possible. First of all, it is possible. No doubt at all. No doubt at all. If you want, you can check with your for loop also. How the for loop will say that for I in range of 2 comma -14 comma -2, what it will print? Tell me what is it will print? The simple question I am asking. What will print? 2 to -14 gap how much? -2. Tell me the answers. 2 के बाद 0 0 के बाद हाँ that is answers na. It is possible. But what answers it will print? It is possible means it will not print like this ma. Look at the board. What is the 2 value? I के के बाद H. I H. Again -2 means wo. Again -4 means space. Again -6 means R. -8 means space. -10 means wo. -12 means space. It will not print like this. It will not print like this. It will possible, but it will not print like this. It will see immediately it 2 and immediately 14 is there or not. Only that letters only it will consider. Cross way it will see. And 2 is suppose 15 is there here. What is there here? 15 is there here. What it will check? It will check till 15 cross way. Check the cross way. Suppose the code is there here, 8 is there. Let's assume here what is there? 8 is there. And here 15 is there. And this is there here. Like -1 is there. What is there? -1 is there. Now here 8 is there here. And 15 is there here. And -1 is there here. Possible? Possible. And what is the start value? What is the start value? 8. What is the stop value? End plus 1. -15 plus 1, how much? -14. So A will come, space will come, W will come, O will come, H will come, space will come, I will come, A will come. Like that it will come. Okay, understood. So this answer this answer will come like this. A will come. Next, what is there? Space is there. Next, W is there. O is there. H is there. Space is there. I is there. A is there. A is minus 14. Stop. A is minus 14. Stop. It will not rotate like for loop. It will not rotate like for loop. It will check like that. The same code, suppose you are applying for 2 here. What is the answer? A will come, and next O will come, and next space will come, and then immediately A will come or not? Tell me. Minus 14 aa raha na? What is the start value? What is the start value? Is equal to 8. What is the stop value? Minus 15 plus 1 is equal to minus 14. What is the step size? 2 points. So now A will come, W will come, H will come, and I will come. That is the answer. A, W, H, I. Now tell me, here what is there now? 2 is there, minus 14 is there, minus 2 is there. Tell me what is the answer? What is the answer? Two is there, minus 14 is there, minus 2 is there. What is the answer? Tell me, who will tell that is a good boy and good girl? Empty. I. One answer is empty. One answer is I. 2 means pakka 2 se start ho raha hai na. Then why empty you are thinking? 2 is there right here. 2 means start means pakka start. No start minus 1, no start plus 1, right? In our logic. Then why empty is coming in your mind? Why empty is coming in your mind? 2 and minus 14 means what? Minus 14 plus 1. Minus 13. 2 to minus 13 only. Who is there? 2 to minus 13. Tell me, I or empty? I am saying that you are saying. Start value equal to how much? 2. Stop value equal to how much? Minus 14 plus 1. How much? Minus 13. Step size is how much? That means 2 after. Actually, you need to get which value you need to get? 2 times back, right? Then what do you get? Pakka 2 you will get. Pakka, the starting letter you will get. There is no empty. You will get the starting letter value. I is you will get. After that, you need to go to 2 steps back, but you still stay here only because 13 also at the same position. I can't move, but I can give the I because I say shuru ho jaya mai. So that's why I am giving the I. But you are saying 2 steps back. I can't go. I can stay here only because my 13 also here only. I am starting here. I am ending here only. What is the value? I. What is the value? I. Understood, ma? Value is I. We take high, so it's empty for us. Why it is empty, Nikita? Why two letters? We are talking about only one letter, right? First of all, are you getting which answer you are coming? Do you agree with me? I is the answer. Everyone understood why I is coming? Always thinking about starting letter is the letter is there, it will come. Suppose I am telling about 3 here. Tell me what is the answer? What is the answer? Space. I will not come now. I will not come. Tell me what is the answer? Only space, I will not come. Pakka space will come. Pakka space will come. And after space again, it want to travel how many steps? 2 steps back. So you should get A. But A is which position? But which position you are stopped? So it will not come. What is the answer? Space is the answer. Space is the answer. Understood this? There is no difficult in this. Simple aptitude this is. Yeah, tell me the next answer. -2, 14, 2. -2, 14. Where is the -2? -2 here. 14, where is the 14? Here. So -2, 14. Tell me what is the answer. It is possible or not possible? First of all, it is possible. No doubt in this. Agree with me? Now tell me what is the answer. O -2, 14 and 2. O is the answer. Very good. Next one is -2, -14, 2. -2 here, -14 here. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Why somebody saying answer? It is not possible. You are saying next one. What a covered, what a covered drive. That is -2, -14, -2. Tell me. -2 here, -14 here, -2 here. This simple question, straightforward question. This is understood. My slicing now. O or O. So range function slicing almost same, 90% same. Next class I will not teach this. I will direct give the question in the list concept. You need to say direct answer. I will not explain this much. Challenge accepted. Say loudly. Very good. That is the spirit. Very good. Next question. Next one is the string methods. So far we covered is, again I'm repeating ma, because why I'm बार-बार मैं कहना था, इसी में order में you need to learn. Okay, first one is what? Reading methods. Reading methods. In the strings we learn single quote and we learn double quote and we learn about triple quote. So triple quote is nothing but what? Docstring. And then again we learn about type, length, maximum and minimum. We learn this. Type, length, maximum and minimum. Next what we learn? Concatenation. Concatenation we learn. And we done subtraction, addition and multiplication. We have seen the errors. Subtraction we have seen. String subtraction, string multiplication and string division. These all are errors. Then we learn about in operator. Then we learn in operator. Then we learn about index operator. And after the index operator, we learn the mutable concept. And then we learn about slicing concept. Slice. So these are we learn in the order. You should remember the same way. Remember in the same way. Easy that is. Whenever we learn string list also, you need to do this format only. Dictionary also, this format only we will learn. Next one is called string methods. String methods. String methods. So how can you know the methods means? You know that import package. This is a package name. You know dir of package name. And whatever come inside the directory, that is what methods we called. If you want to know about anything methods, package name dot method name, you are taking the help and you are performing the operation. This I will learn in the first class itself, correct? Everyone is good? In the same way, if you want to find any methods, you need to know by using called directory. You know by using called directory. So here dir bracket, you can provide anything in the string format. You can provide empty string, you can provide Python, you can provide your name. Okay, some string you need to provide. What you provide, ma? Some string. You can provide P also, you can say A also, whatever it is. Some string you need to provide. You need to run that. Then what happen? It will give a lot methods. So these all are methods, ma. These all are methods. Now we need to learn these methods in order to develop our codes. Understood? In order to learn our codes. dir of same thing. But here what happened? We are importing the package. Here no need to import the package. dir of empty string is enough to know the what are the methods are there inside the directory. Inside the directory. Yeah. Now let's do some methods now. So first method is called capitalize method. Put side heading capitalize method. Capitalize method. String 1 is equal to welcome. String 1 is equal to what? Welcome. Now, if I apply the dir of string 1, what will come? What will come? All the methods that above we have seen, that is also displayed again. That is also will display again same thing. Because that there you provided empty string. Here you provided a name. Both are same. Now you are learning which method? Capitalize method. You know how to read the method, right? Package name dot method name. Correct? Package name dot method name. Here is the package name is nothing but who? String 1. Package is nothing but who? String 1. So string 1 dot capitalize. Just type C and enter tab. Enter tab. Type C. Enter tab. Automatically what will come? Capitalize will come. That's the capitalize. You want to take the help. Take the help. Take the help. What it is saying? Capitalize is a function. It is a built-in function. Capitalize is a bracket. Any argument is taking? Any argument taking? No arguments. No default arguments. No arguments. It's simply a simple bracket. That you need to understand, ma. That you need to understand. Believe me, so many people doesn't know about this concept. So many people doesn't know about this concept. Because again, right, suppose import random random dot randint. If I run this, it will come error or answer? It will come error or answer? Why error? Because it takes 2 arguments. That is the shift tab. You see, a comma b is coming how many? 2 arguments it is coming. That's why it gives the error. If you write this, if you not provide any variables, it will give the error. Because the function, the Python is saying that provide 2 arguments, otherwise I will not work. That is the meaning. Here capitalize, what is there? Any bracket is there here? No. Now see the same code. If I write complex, you will error or answer? Why answer? Because you no need to provide values. There's a default arguments is there here. That is saying there's a default also is there. But here, now string 1 dot capitalize. What it is doing, ma? Return a capitalized version of the string. What is the meaning of? Tell me. What is the meaning of that? Capitalized string means what? W will capital or entire string will capital? W will capital or entire string will capital? Pakka? Only W will capital. Capitalize means only starting letter will capital. Note on this. Capitalize. Next method is called upper. Tell me what upper will do. Try to learn like this. How I am learning? String 1 dot upper. Help. If you don't want to take the help, directly put the brackets and shift tab in the brackets. Like bracket, shift tab. Shift tab. What it is saying? Upper is not taking any arguments, empty brackets. And what it is saying? Return a copy of the string converted into uppercase. Uppercase. Welcome. And next one is lower. Next one is lower. String 1 dot lower bracket. Same. No arguments. It directly converted into lower case. Directly converted into lower case. Take the one more string 1, suppose. String 1 is equal to WELCOME. I am taking print of string 1 dot, first one is a capitalize bracket, print of string 1 dot upper, print of string 1 dot lower. So first one is capital, means only capital letter. Upper means all the letters are upper. Lower means all the letters are lower. Easy? Methods will makes our life is very easy, but it also makes our mind also very dumb. Okay. Methods are bakwas. Bullshit. Okay. Methods will downgrade your thinking power. Downgrade your thinking power. I will tell you how to do that. That is, suppose let's see here. Let's see here. String 1 is equal to hi, how are you is there. Okay. How many A's are there, ma? How many A's are there? This we done? This we done, ma? But if you see string 1 dot count of A, the answer is 2. The answer is 2. We done if condition. We created a counter. We implemented. How much we are got satisfaction there? How much we got the satisfaction here? Tell me. Methods will dumb. Methods will dumb your mind. Simple. If you use the methods, you will gone. Okay. Use the method, you will gone. Simple. No, string 1 dot count is equal to 2 is coming. But the same code we done like this, right? For I in string 1, if I equal to A, then count place equal to 1, and we are increasing the count. How much satisfaction we are getting to do like this? Tell me. How much single line is answer coming? This laptop is a Google laptop, you know. If I want to run this code in this laptop, packages will not work here. Package will not work here. I need to create the logic by manually. I need to create the logic by manually. If I'm not able to create, I need to request the Google. I need this package. Give me that package. I need to request the Google. And to take the permission also, it will take 2-3 days. Okay. If I want, I can show you that. That is, this laptop, the packages will not work. We need to develop the packages. So in order to develop the logics, you need to be a good developer. So now onwards, how you are getting this method also, you need to create by your own logic. You need to learn like that now onwards. Okay, of course, count is giving 2 value. Now you know how to create the count. How to create the count also, you know. This method is nothing but somebody created a Python code and is giving the Python code to you. Is giving the Python code to you. What is the Python code? This is the Python code. This is the Python code. Now same thing is there. Suppose string 1 is equal to welcome is there. Now I want output like this. I want WELCOME. Tell me how to do that without capitalize method. Try it. How to do that? Use index operation, slicing operation, concatenation operation. 3 operations we require there. Do that. Use index, use slice, use concatenation, and make that as a small w to capital W. Do that. Or make that is capital L, suppose. I need this answer. Welcome is equal to small L is there. I need this W small, but L is capital. Capitalize method will do the capital, but can I replace L with capital L? Do that. Do this. Try to implement it, ma. Try to implement it. I need this answer output. So the idea is separate W separately, COME separately. Separate WE, separate COME. How do you separate? By slicing, correct? By slicing. And add in middle one more extra capital L and concatenate those. This is one string 1, str1. How do you get that? You do str1 is equal to WE and this is equal to str2. That is called COME. Okay, WE and COME. Extract these two first. Extract these two. And then do str1 plus str2. Do str1 plus some letter you need to add plus str2. And that letter is nothing but your capital L like this. Try it. First, get the str1. Next, get the str2. Get the str1 first. Get the str2 second. And just add the strings. Out of welcome, extract VE, extract COME separately. And you know how to do that. नींद आ रहा है और you're सोच रहे अफजल नींद आ रहा है तुमको you're sleeping like you're thinking. Extract V separately, come separately, done. So string 1 till 2, string 1 till 2 is V is coming. String 1 till 3, till 2, till 3 is coming. COME. My spelling mistake here. Welcome. So this is a one string. str1 equal to. This is our str2 equal to. Then str1 plus str2 I'm adding V is coming. Then I got the idea. In middle I need to write capital L like this. Then I will get welcome like this. I will get welcome. str1 plus str2. So here string 1 equal to here string 1 equal to welcome, and my answer is equal to L replace with capital L. This will give more satisfaction than this. Look at the screen. There's a one more Bakwas operator is there called replace. What do you want to replace? I want to replace small l with capital L. Then the answer is there. That's it. Are you getting what I'm saying is? My student should be a good developers. You want to implement the methods in the big lines of codes, like 20, 30 lines of code, use the methods. But if you want to use the method only, the direct answer, don't use the method. Use like this and will be feel very happy. This is we are thinking something, right? How to do? We are thinking something. This is no need think. Replace small l with capital L. Answer will come. So this kind of we will continue in our next class. Okay, from Tuesday. Make sure that these 2 days use wisely. Finish your for loop, while loop, all the concepts. If you have any doubts, immediately ping me. So you have 3 days time is there. Technically 3.5 days time is there. So today also is off day is there. So 3.5 days time is there. I will put one more assignment. So complete that assignment also. Also do the certification. You understood, right? My student should be the good developers, ma. If you want to create any ML program, creating apps, creating that everything, my students should be good developers. If you want a good developer, you need to be perfect till while loop. Till while loop, you need to be perfect. So practice as many as questions, practice HackerRank questions, paste that questions in the WhatsApp group, ask the suggestions, give the questions to your friend, like that, do whatever you do. But you should be perfect in the Python. Okay, then automatically that is my responsibility how to make the perfect in machine learning. So now the training speed is going now, means that is while loop is over, means now your platform is set. Platform is set to grow. That is you keep in mind. Those who are still struggle, please spend time in the labs. Okay, talk to me if you're not able to get that logics. So at this position, I'm expecting that you should avoid the errors first. Syntax errors, name errors, attribute errors. Logics will come slowly, don't worry. Okay, logics will come slowly. Elon Musk logic will come very fast than me. Okay, maybe he's thinking one day, I will think in 1 month. It's okay, no problem. That is logic will come slowly. At least avoid the errors. Avoid the error and think about the step-by-step process. Use these 3 days very wisely. Thank you so much, ma. See you on Tuesday. No class tomorrow. No class on Monday. Next class is on Tuesday. Don't put unnecessary questions in the WhatsApp group, please. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Happy Diwali, ma. Happy Diwali. Enjoy the Diwali.
ఇప్పుడేమొద్దు ఇంగా?